Well, it is a question that many are asking. How criminals accused of committing these crimes are just back out on the streets so quickly. Many are blaming those bond issues for the rise in crime that we're seeing here in Memphis.
WREG investigator April Thompson sits down with the judge who oversees judicial commissioners who set the initial bail, and who that judge blames may surprise you.
Judge Bill Anderson supervises Shelby County's 14 judicial commissioners, also called magistrates, whose duty, among other things, is to set bail when someone is first arrested.
I'll take the heat for any magistrate that works down here. I will defend my magistrates because it is one of the toughest jobs there is.
He has heard the criticism about magistrates giving suspects a low bail, even though those suspects may have prior offenses. He says by law, most defendants have a right to bail, and the magistrates use the information given to them by pretrial services to set the amount.
Pretrial services is a county agency, Shelby County agency, whose responsibility, among other things, is to do these reports for the magistrates and the judges, these background reports.
Reports that look at things like age, prior offenses, and ability to pay bail. Then, once the case goes to court, judges like Bill Anderson can decide if a bail needs to be changed.
I will look at his situation. I will review the magistrate's initial setting. If I'm requested to by the attorney, then I will make an independent decision on that bail.
Judge Anderson says who is really behind the defendants getting out and quickly are the bail bondsman companies who put up the money.
The people who make the decisions on who gets out of our jail on monetary bail is the bail bond companies. It's not the judges. It's not the magistrates. It is a private entity that we have absolutely no control over.
And he says a new state law that goes into effect July 1st and removes some cases from judicial commissioners and puts them on judges will only go so far, because it's commissioners who work on rotating 24/7 shifts and who have to make bail decisions even before judges get the case during the week.
People are entitled to bail as soon as they're arrested and charged. They took out the wording "cannot set bail," period, to "cannot set recognizance release."
He says the bigger question is what's behind the crime we're seeing.
We have a crime problem in this city just like every other big city has, and it's getting worse because of guns. Frankly, that's my opinion, and I see it every day.
April Thompson, WREG News Channel 3.
All right, looking for a solution here, and you will also remember that resolution passed by the Shelby County Commission and signed by Mayor Lee Harris requesting immediate implementation of the state law saying only judges, not commissioners, can handle certain cases. We asked Judge Anderson about that. He says criminal court judges looked at the request and realized it was something they were already doing.